In this video, I'll show you how to create a multiple character story on PolyBuzz or poly.ai. If you want to write a story where multiple characters talk to each other using AI, here's how to do that easily on PolyBuzz. As you can see here in our screen, you will be able to see create and upload. And here in my character bank, I have already one character that I have been created. All you have to do to have multiple characters is to create and create. Let's click create. Now, here in upload, either you upload character from your devices or get some character here in PolyBuzz. Since I have a character from PolyBuzz, let's click this one. Now, let's add a name, gender. Here in intro, let's just say she is beautiful. Here in greeting, let's put hi. Permission, it's either private or public. Let's add tag. Like for example, you add anime, game, movies, and TV, text game, celebrity. So for me, we're gonna choose anime. Click save. Now here in our background, let's just say a school. Then let's add dialogue style. Let's put hi and then here hello. Then we have to choose character voice. It's either female, male. So let's use this one. When you are done, click create character. And it's generated fast. Watch your characters interact like in a real conversation. AI takes care of the flow. You can save the story for later, share it with friends, or even publish it publicly on the platform if you want others to enjoy it. And that's it! You've just created a dynamic multi-character story with PolyBuzz.